Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to set up Outline VPN on your Android device. Outline VPN is a great tool that allows you to create and manage your own private VPN server, offering enhanced privacy and a secure internet experience. Whether you're new to VPNs or simply looking for a dependable solution, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. In the search bar, type Outline VPN, then find and tap on the official app. Go ahead and install it. The process takes just a few moments. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. Step 2. On the home screen of the Outline VPN app, tap the plus symbol icon in the top right corner. You'll be asked to enter an access key for the server. Don't worry if you don't have it yet. Let's walk through how to get one. Step 3. Open any browser and go to the Race VPN website. On the homepage, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. From the menu, scroll down and choose the Outline option. You'll now be directed to a list of available server locations. Select your preferred location by tapping Select Location. You'll be taken to a form where you need to enter a username, password, and complete a CAPTCHA. Tap Create Server, and within seconds, your server will be generated. Once done, you'll see your server details including the access key. Copy the key for the next step. Step 4. Go back to the Outline VPN app and tap the plus icon again. Paste the access key you just copied, then tap Save. Once the server is added, just hit Connect, and you're online through your private VPN. And that's it. Party popper. You've successfully set up Outline VPN on your Android device. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech how-tos and privacy tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you